Hey! Here we are. Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and today I have a brand new product for me. It's from Hangar 51 and it's called the Fire Plugs. Now I wasn't expecting this. They sent it to me to test, which is very nice of them. They said it's new to the UK and it's supposed to be really easy, one of the easiest ones to light that they sell. So if you look at my playlist, I have reviewed pretty much all their stuff already. The fat rope stick is one of my favorite ones because it's compact and it's so many fires you get out of it. But they have this one here now, so I'm going to test this out now and see. I'll see how long it burns for and how easy it is to light. So let's take a look now. So as you can see, it's just it looks like compressed cotton. I don't want to say it's one of their ropes because the middle, as you can see, is filled. So I'm not quite sure what it's made of, but we're going to take it apart now and have a look. Right, so here it is. It looks like a cotton outside. The inside, I've cut one already, and I'm probably not going to get a good image with my camera. My camera takes ages to zoom. Oh no, struggling. There you go. But that's it. So it looks like it's filled with something. I'm not quite sure what, but it is quite fluffy on the outside. So what I'm going to do is, let me take that off. Okay. So let me just fluff this up a little bit. And so I'm not sure what to expect. I never used this before. But I fluffed it up a little bit. We can agree. Let's fluff it up a little bit. A little bit more maybe. I don't know, I'm trying to give it a fair chance. And I just took my thumb off. Right, so let's just say, hit it with a ferro rod and then see what we get on it. You see that? Good. Ooh, shit. That went up quite quick. Still burning. Alright, so I just fluffed that up a little bit. Just gonna put it there. Take my knife away before I cut myself again. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get it from a bit of a distance, because they said this is supposed to be easy to light. So I'm gonna have my ferro rod here and I'm just gonna strike that way. So you just see if I can catch it from there. There you go. And that's, no, I wouldn't say I was on top of that. It's a good distance away. So that worked. I reckon I can go a bit further than that. Right, let's see. See if I can do a bit better than that. It does break down pretty easy, as you can see here. So fluffing it is no problem. Probably think I can unroll it. Yeah, you can unroll it like that. if you had to. So it's all learning experience here. Right, so that's all fluffed up. Let's see if I can hit that from a bit further away. What do you think? I'll leave it like that so you can see how far I am. So I think that's going to be further than last time. Would you say? Yeah? Okay. So let's see if we can get a shot. Hey! Getting target practice down now. Not bad, not bad. Like it. Oh, we could do better than that. Come on. We could do better than that. Come on. Alright. Just using this now. I don't have my gloves on. And it's half term and I don't want to go to A&E. So again, just fluffing it out. Just using my striker. So that's fluffed up. Just gonna unroll a little bit. There you go. Alright. So there you are. I'm gonna leave it like, just gonna reverse it a bit. Leave it there. Now, let's see, how far can we get on camera? So if I do it there, like that. And then we must agree that's further away. That's far away. Yeah, okay. Let's see if we can get it from here. Oh, it's my aiming. Oh. Oh. Couple of mouse. Hey, there we are. Look at that, goes up a treat. So it does light up pretty easy, I must admit that part. Just a little bit of fluffing and you know, do your own little target practice in the back garden. So happy with that. Looks good and it has a good burn time for the size that we're using. That burned for quite a long time. So that's my review of these fire plugs. They're very compact. You can unroll them and get even more fires out of them. First time dealing with them, I think these are ideal for Altoid tins and little survival kits. They're not as bulky as the fat rope stick, like that's my favorite one at the moment. But these are quite handy as well, so you could cut off a little bit, unroll it, and then you get a few fires out of that one and put that one back in your kit. Again, a lot of opportunities with the size wise of this. That's I think a really good option is the size. I mean, cutting this in half and then putting that in different kits, or I don't know, I mean, you just do loads of stuff with that, so I might have a play around with that one. But again, totally new thing, new to the UK. It's just a product they're throwing out there and having people try them out. So I do like it. That's nice, and you can see that you don't have to be on top of it once it's fluffed to get it going. That's a good few inches away, and I got it going, so that's good. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Are these handy or not? Are you into this kind of stuff, or you prefer your normal cotton ball Vaseline kind of things? But like I said, let me know in the comment section. Again, this is Hanger 51. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye.